sneaking out here, see if I can't get me a buck. I got my recurve and this ground blind, and I don't know how good it's going to work, but we'll see. I have two pretty good deer coming into this spot, so hopefully they'll come in. I don't know about this wind, but we'll see. Put some buck candy out, so I'll know they'll come in and want to feed. There's a buck right here. Sucker for a while. It's crazy. I just got in here, turned the camera on, and he walked out, came straight to the buck candy, and I just smoked him with my recurve. Just got out of the stand. I found my arrow. It has real good blood on it. He just kept running right towards the fence line over here. So we'll keep following him. I've been trying to kill this buck for a while now. And I got him with the widow. Check him out. Just a wide, pretty much a 6-point frame with these little bitty kickers off the front. Man, I've been trying to get this buck. I love West Texas hunting, and to do it with a recurve, it makes it very challenging because these deer definitely jump the string. What an awesome hunt. I put out buck candy, brought him right in. Too easy, he went right to it, started eating it. Had my VS1 out just to get him nice and fired up. But there you go. Just an awesome West Texas coal buck. I got him with my stick bow.